Got a new focus going on right now. It's about language. It's not going to be that tough of a thing. People are just going to have to learn to be a little more proper at work and everything, and that's just going to help them make money, I think. It's really just going to help them out in their sections, you know. You got to think about it as real estate, okay? That's your property right there, and you've got to sell it. You got to make people want to buy that, okay? Language. That's what we're talking about today, people. I don't care how you talk outside of work. Hey, man. What's up, dude? Hey, y'all. No. Not here, all right? Not here. I don't care what you do. I don't care where you hang. I don't care what you chill like, okay? Here, you're the gentleman or you're a lady, all right? You're gonna come in here, you're not gonna say, how you doing, guy? No. It's sir or madam, all right? That's how we're doing it today. It's time to make money. We're at work now, okay? Don't you mess this up. I'm watching you. You're training this guy today, all right? He's good people. That's why, all right, okay. Work. Lucky Cat. We got a new employee. I don't know what that is.
So here's the deal, Lucky Cat. When you answer the phone, you want to answer it with a level of professionalism. Basically, that means you want to be calm, you want to be confident, but you don't want to pretend like you're on the New York Stock Exchange. You're not a cattle caller. We're not doing any kind of auctioneering here. So basically, it's going to be real easy, very professional. Just remember, professional.
I think it'll work out. I don't know. I mean, I need him to speak up. I got really bad hearing anyways, and I don't know what he's saying ever.
You can do it. Yeah.
It's good. It's cool. I got it. Thanks for calling P.F. Chang's China Bistro West End. This is Will. How may I help you today? Oh, certainly. We can get right on that. Let me get a manager for you. Thanks. I got this.
The Lucky Cat is terrible at his job. However, he is not the only one who is awful at his or her jobs. Singular. Job. Plural. Depending on whether you're talking about them together. Nothing.
No, I mean, no, you can tell me. What are you talking about? What?
The guy over there. It's Tim McGraw.
Yeah, the guy in the boot?
No, the guy at 26, Will. That one right there.
The guy with the hat?
Don't point, yes.
Tim
McGraw. Tim McGraw. So cute.
I don't care. What's the big deal?
It's Tim McGraw, Will. Tim McGraw.
Is that your table?
Yes.
Should I pick it up?
No, don't talk to them, please.
No, do you want...
No, Will, just leave him alone.
I can't talk to Tim McGraw?
Just...
Like I want to talk to Tim McGraw?
Will, let it go. It's just a table.
It's Tim McGraw. Like I want to talk to Tim what is it?
I can't believe Tim McGraw was here. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands.
Is it Graw? Like Graw. I don't want to talk to that guy. Is he a baseball player? Does he play baseball? Woo! I play things.
Alright guys, so I just want to go over a few things that are in my little trainer packet, and that way I'm just going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, just raise your hand, yell it out, whatever. Let's see, we'll start off with when you put a guest down at a table. What's the proper way to do that? Will.
Well, first of all, you don't put a guest anywhere. You seat them because they're not plants; they're people. I mean, what's it take to be a server these days? It's like you put people at tables. You put plants. You put you put cattle, and it's like I understand like plants have feelings, and plants are people. Greenpeace, it's cool. Understand. I'm down. I'm down with that. But people are people. Plants are people, but people are people. I'm a people person, not in particularly a plant person, if you know what I'm saying. I don't dig on the green or anything.